Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add to cart button in WooCommerce. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, simply go ahead first, access your web browser and type in WordPress.com, where you will be able to get into this kind of interface once you have signed in as well. Now, as soon as you do that, you will find this kind of interface in the process of building. So what you do is you go to your left side and you go to your appearance section. Once you go to appearance, you're going to go to the section of customize. If you are in the process of your building website process, so once you're in this section, you simply go to the customize section, and from this section you're going to go ahead, tap on this field section, go to WooCommerce, and from now you will be able to go ahead and add the add to cart buttons in the option will be available if you are in the process, and go ahead, add that, and that's all you need to do for you to add a add to cart button for your website. And that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.